Is your Google Play Store keep opening again and again? Or is your Google Play Store keep auto-closing or restarting again and again? With the last software glitch, many Android users are having issues with the Google Play Store keep opening again and again, auto-closing and auto-restarting issues on Android. So let's get started. First, you must ensure that you have enough storage available on your device. So you can open Setting, tap About, tap Storage, scroll down, tap Free Up. Now you need to remove all the junk files from your device to get some free storage. After this, now check your problem. Now if you still found the same problem on your Android device, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Privacy Protection, tap Special Permission, scroll down, tap Unrestricted Data, scroll down, enable Carrier Service. Go back, tap Usage Access, find the Google Play Store, enable Permit Usage Access. Also enable the same setting for the Google Play Service. Now go back to the main setting. Scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps. First, you need to find Google Play Service. Tap Clear All Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Now go back, find out the Google Play Store, tap on it. First, you need to tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, tap Allows. Also, enable Location, tap Allows, go back, tap Restricted Data, enable your SIM card. After that, now you need to remove the last update that you did to your Google Play Store. Now tap Uninstall Update, tap OK. After that, following all the process, now restart your device. Now open your Google Play Store apps. Now try to install any apps you want and see what happens. After following all the processes, your problem will be solved. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.